Is the device replacing your smartphones already here? Meta just dropped their biggest advancement, and trust me, this is sending alarm signals to all competitors. If you ever thought smartphones and smartwatches were the highest innovation we could reach, you couldn't be more wrong based on this latest update from Meta. So stick around, as you might want to know the latest bomb that's been dropped on all Meta competitors. Today we're diving into something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Meta's latest project, Orion AR Glasses. You've heard of AR and VR, right? Well, Meta is taking things to the next level with their Orion smart glasses, and we're about to explore how these might change the way we interact with tech, and maybe even replace your smartphone soon. What makes them really cool is that you can interact with them using hand gestures, voice commands, and this super high-tech EMG wristband that reads your muscle movements. Yeah, it's as futuristic as it sounds. You can pinch your fingers to select things or swipe to scroll. No touching screens needed. So let's talk about the magic behind these glasses. The Meta AI. Imagine asking your glasses to look up information, suggest a recipe based on ingredients in your fridge, or even translate languages in real time. These glasses are basically your personal assistant right in front of your eyes. It's not just about seeing things. It's about interacting with the digital world in a whole new way. You can control them with voice commands and the neural wristband, making the experience super immersive. It's like having an AI that's not just in your phone, but literally part of your world. This AI can spot objects around you and give you instant info. Now that's what I call next level tech. Now Meta is positioning Orion as a potential smartphone killer. Could it actually happen? In theory, yeah. You'd be able to make calls, send messages, watch videos, and get directions all without pulling out a phone. Sounds pretty wild, right? But there are some challenges. For one, the battery life. 2 to 3 hours won't cut it for an all-day device. And then there's the price. We don't know the exact cost yet, but devices like these are expected to be expensive. Think Apple Vision Pro levels of expensive, around $3,500. Yeah, ouch. That's going to burn a wide hole in the pockets. So where's all this heading? Meta's Orion glasses aren't just about today, they're about what's next. While they're not ready for the mainstream just yet, the tech we're seeing is a glimpse into the future of how we might one day leave our smartphones behind and interact with the digital world in a totally new way. Mark Zuckerberg himself said that they're working hard to make these glasses smaller, more affordable, and available to the public soon. Some reports say we might see a consumer version by 2027, but Meta's hoping to get it out even earlier. Right now, employees and a few partners are trying out the Orion glasses to fix any issues before they're ready for everyone. So what do you guys think? Are AR glasses like Meta Orion the future of tech, or just another cool gadget? Let us know in the comments below, and if you're excited about the future of AR and AI, hit that subscribe button and stick around for more deep dives into tech. Thanks for watching.